lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. Hi friends, I hope you are good while watching this video. For today, I'm going to do our 100 butterflies slash envelope challenge. So this is for my birthday, my 50th birthday savings and 50th birthday fund. Me and my daughters are planning to go to Korea. Hopefully, if I can uh, save enough money to buy airline ticket and other expenses, we'll go there on my birthday month. Or if not, we need to change the plan, or we need to change the date. All right. So without further ado, let's start. So this is a 100 envelope challenge, and I'm using a two-sided dice. This is a multiple of 10 and 10-sided dice. So I will combine this dice to determine which envelope I need to cash stuff for today. So I have here $100, 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And this money that I'm saving on this on today is my tips when I'm doing my part-time job. And as of this moment, it's been a week that I don't have part-time job, so that's why I am running a playlist. If any one of you would like, we needed watch hours, please comment on the comment section so that I can run your playlist, at least 10 of your videos. All right, so let's start, and let me roll these dice. Which envelope we can put money today? Hold on. So 40 and 5. 45. Let me see. 45. Okay. So 45. This is from Madeline's budget. So each circle here, each icon, I designated $10 each icon. So for today, we just put $40. I don't want to keep this video longer. So let's go $48 and mark this one. So we go to the envelope. So the tracker here, you can go to Jenny of Simply Living Saves coffee shop if you want this tracker here, or you want this dashboard here. So which number? 45. Okay. So I need to take out this one and highlight. Where's my highlighter? Hold on. And highlight the number so that I know that it's already funded, fully funded. All right. So let me, okay, let's move along. So 0 and 6. So number 6. So we go to number 6, which is, this is from Miss Elma Coffee Shop. So number 6 is here. So each icon is $10. So we save here 10, 20, 30. Okay, let's get $30. And we go to envelope number 6. Wrong side. Okay, let's just change it there. All right, number 6. Let's highlight this. Okay. So for the total amount that I will save in here, I really don't know. It's a mystery to me. and it's a surprise how much I'm gonna save in this particular saving challenge. So we still have 30 here, so let's roll the dice. So 60, 61. Let's go 61. I think it's not in here. I think it's not. Okay, 61. So 61 is another of Madeline Budgets challenge. Actually, they use it for tiny, but me, because I need bigger amount, I use it for spicy ones. So if it's up to you. If you want to use this, go to their coffee shop and print it out. It's a freebie, so it's easy for you to just download it and print it and use it on your tiny saving challenge or in whatever purpose you want to use this challenge. Okay, so I have here 4, but we don't have, so we'll just mark here 3, which was 61, right? Mark here 3, 1, 2, 3. And let me go to number 61 envelope. Okay. Don't judge me for using reusing some papers here because I'm saving papers and still I'm a frugal mom, so we need to save some papers and to save environment too. All right, I don't highlight it because it's not done yet. So okay, so some of the challenges is still here at we haven't get it out yet, but if you want to use my challenge, you can go to my coffee shop. I will this three, hold on, this three challenge here and here and this one. I will release it on my coffee shop for free for freebie. So if you want to have free saving challenges with the butterfly team, you can go to my coffee shop after I uploaded this video. And as well as we're doing a collaboration. I'm collaborating with Mel for our yearly Christmas collab. We're on our road to 700 subscribers. So if you want to get the challenge as well, you can go to my coffee shop or Mel's of Mom Chick Win coffee shop to get this downloadable saving challenge. All right. So that's it for today, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. See you on my collab saving challenges after this video, maybe on Thursday. Bye. See ya. Love ya.